this is where nightlife is at in the country. The Bucket, summer is here. Let's check into the Bucket over here, where it's always happening. Moshi! What's up, Moshi? The rechte hand, okay, I'll switch hands. Moshi, what's going on over here? First of all, the Michael over there. Okay, the Michael is on, let's go.
Introduce this guy, Rabbi Tzemach.
Rabbi Tzemach. No way, he's Tzemach Glenn? Not Tzemach Glenn, Rabbi Tzemach something else.
You gotta put the rabbi.
Rabbi Abadi.
The grand rabbi on top.
1 minute, Moshi, this is a new design for the summer, 2026.
No, this is 2025. And you see all these pictures? They're all his.
Beautiful pictures.
We're gonna give you his phone number afterwards.
You got the Lubavitcher Rebbe, who's that? Stolner Rebbe.
Leitzke Rebbe.
Leitzke Rebbe.
Abioel.
Shaila.
The Ribnitzer.
And Rabbi Abadi.
Hold on, and Rabbi Abadi Senior. Grand Rabbi Abadi.
Really?
Got this hooked up.
What's nice happening now?
Hold on.
Pictures going up as we speak. Rabbi Abadi on top, on bottom, or Rabbi Senior on top? It's always happening. It's always happening over here. Nice and straight. A little to the right, a little to the right. All right, you got it. Moshe, I guess he's not the one who put up the sign outside. All right, let's check in over here. Moshe, you're known for your poppers, Moshe. Get my kick over there. Look at these poppers. Look at the sizzling poppers. Wow. This sauce of these poppers is like Coke.
We gotta show you how it's made.
But it's like Coke. Nobody knows the recipe.
First of all, turn around. Full line of corns, the
Kuvah Shabbos Kodesh. Challah the Kuvah Shabbos and corns in the house over here. Kodim Kol, what are these pictures over here?
This is the bucket 2026. This is the new trend. These are the love notes from everybody.
No way, Moshe.
And these are, let me show you something else. Then we have those that don't like our graphics and create their own graphics.
It's the Bucket, this is their own graphics. Very cool, very cool. So the kids come here, they're entertained. Vos enayes. Moshe, I'm still with the sauce over here. Secret recipe, just like Coca-Cola, nobody knows it.
That's it,
you pulled it off.
Only the Bucket.
Every type of finger chicken, all types, colorful cereal. They're known for their, that's something you have over there.
Pulled meat pockets, belly pockets, Franks and Blanks, cigars, meat pizzas, jerkies. By the way, I want to show you some more. This is a real Yerushalmi kigel. Because it's geleend from the mama.
Take?
The mama is geleend from the Yerushalmis.
Take?
But look at that,
That's the real Yerushalmi kigel.
This is the way, this is the extra.
It's the anti-peppery.
Oh yeah.
What's nice? Because Americans do not know how to make it, Moshe.
Stamuk is in a smoked brisket. Look at this, this is.
Oh.
This fat, look at this fat content. Yo, this good. By the way, if you want to live for 120, eat this for 100 years straight and you're good.
Moshe, zip the Kuvah Shabbos.
All the crazy people that want to eat soup in this temperature.
What type of people that want to eat? So you tell me, which guys buy soup?
I gotta tell you, I'm selling out every day.
Really?
100 degrees. I can't understand it. But the other
chicken soup.
Look at this
You think chicken soup is always good no matter if it's 100-degree weather outside? Yeah. What's so nice?
Let's try the chulent over here.
Kishke,
chulent. One second. This chulent right here, this is for the normal people.
Okay.
This is for the, the Litfuckers that can't handle the beans, standard shtickle barley, whatever. Come on, you have to accommodate the island over here.
Oh, Moshe, bist du hier, das ist ein Stückchen Jabchik, du, kide boy.
I was losgetrunken because we had a fast today. It's ungemacht, but let me show you as a Yapchik. You know the difference in my Yapchik and other people's Yapchik is?
What's the difference? Let's see. Oh.
Mine is gemacht with pulled beef, so you have meat all over the place. You're not looking for that piece of meat.
Zoom in over there. Oh, man.
This is the Bucket's famous donuts.
Look at that.
The Oilem Essig Day my ganzen Tag. I want to tell you, please don't try it. Anybody that tries this is sold for life.
Addicted.
It's addictive. It's not worth it. It's just like smoking or anything else. Don't try it. You're much better off.
Get my kick. You can buy it for a present with somebody for Shabbos. Buy them a gift. Bring over a nice, beautiful platter.
Welcome to the Bucket's little crayons.
Oh, this is for the kids to draw the pictures.
Gewaldig.
Moshe, what's it is?
This year's wristband color is black. Baruch Hashem, we've gone through almost all the colors. If anybody has a suggestion for next year, please let me know because I'm running out of options.
So every guy comes in here, picks up a bucket bracelet. What's so nice?
Chaim, this is my soda fridge.
Soda.
Look at the selection of the soda.
Every type of soda, seltzer, Gatorade.
Like 7 different kind of seltzer, that's because of me. This is the Kuvah Shabbos Kodesh. Alles beheimisch gemacht.
Alles beheimisch gemacht, doing else.
Alles beheimisch gemacht.
What's it this?
This is a heimische skug. It's good.
Legit?
Yeah, try
spicy.
It. Take one over Shabbos.
Spicy?
Spicy enough to give you the flavor.
And the kick.
Gala.
As a heimische compote.
Hummus platters. the amount of different stuff that have to go into this platter to make it as the Kuvit Shabbos Kodesh.
Moshe, don't tell me you make the hummus yourself.
This is everything is beheimish gemacht. If I
Make
can't
your own
make
hummus?
it, if I can't make it,
You don't sell
this
it.
is nicht. Whatever, I can't say that, but you know we have to buy mayonnaise and stuff like that. Eggplant, katzilim. Look at this.
No way. Chatzilim over here stuffed with all different vegetables, roasted. What's the dip over there?
Tchina, what do you mean with katzilim?
Tomato dip doesn't come in over there.
This is a liver. Look at this liver.
It's popping out.
Stopped. We don't. I'm a very big fan of actually filling up the containers. It's all as we are mensch.
You're saying you're traumatized when you were a kid?
No, if you're paying for it, you should get a full container. And
I love the kiosks over here. You come, you order.
Time the clock is ticking. We have to go take out the sourdough. So let's go check out the sourdough.
Sourdough?
Oh yeah. Follow me to the kitchen, guys. Go on camera. It's good for
guys. Let's go. It's good. Yeah.
It's good for
Four shidduchim happened last month on my status. Koidim Ko, Moti. You have.
Chaim, this is the sourdough. This is where it all happens. The part of the kitchen. Nobody knows about this kitchen. Right, I don't see the sourdoughs.
No way.
Check it out. There's the crunch.
Woof. Where'd you get this recipe from?
Needs another couple of minutes.
It's a Ochdamama's recipe.
This is. Every sourdough is made in the pot like a mensch. One more. I don't see nothing.
One more for the oil and for the sibit. Wow.
Everyone is consistent.
So you put your heart and soul to each one.
It's lemon de vasen. This is a long
process.
But nicht nur dem. Whoa. So it was a long process with sourdough, but this one, these are sitting here, they slow ferment almost the entire week. You should get that real sour, delicious geschmack with the crust and the ears. Lifting geschmack.
You think it has to do with the holes when you cut it? The holes inside should be
the holes. Oh, by the way, you got all different types. You got jalapenos. This is not just a new one. It's stuffed inside as whatever.
You put inside the jalapenos?
Oh yeah. Hold on.
Can we do like a gold card inside one of your challahs?
Olives. If you can make one that won't get
I'll make
sick.
a gold card and put it inside one of your challahs, and whoever finds that gold card is a big prize. We'll do that one week. Okay.
We're gonna do focaccias too, but that's not yet.
Nice. So another couple of minutes and the sourdough comes out. Oh, it's ready. Timer's ticking.
How do
you manage this all in your head? You're running the store and you're keeping a timer on top of that.
That's why we have cell phones, Baruch Hashem.
Let's see the challah come out now.
Lamazin.
Here we go, Chevra. Here we go. No way.
These pots are at about 500 degrees. You touch it the wrong way, it hurts.
Let me see over your body. I'm sure you have burns. Really have some. Oh, here we go, Chevra. Burn. You're in the kitchen and you're not burnt, you're not a chef.
Problem is when you stop feeling the burns. That's when the problem
comes. That's the problem, when your fingers get numb. Woof. Wow. How many do you produce a week? I mean, I'm sure hundreds of people want your challahs.
50, 60, 70.
So it's kol koydem zucha.
Yeah.
It's not like...
The limit, it's all as a beheimish gemacht. So there's a limit what you can actually produce a day.
So you're saying whoever gets, and...
They come. Sometimes people rolling at 8 o'clock in the morning, just rolling into chap that sourdough.
Just take half that sourdough, the Kuvit Shabbos Kodesh. Nice. Moshe, I love this room that you just built over here. I think it was open last year also. How many seats can you fit in? How many guys can sit here?
80 to 100.
So you're saying if a cat wants to bring his councils out? You can order here?
Kiosks here to order. You have a screen up there that shows you if the stuff is ready.
Nice.
So you don't have to keep coming and checking.
Nice. And you can sit out here too?
You have as one second. So you have seating over here. Don't get him in the video. He doesn't want to be in the video. Don't get him in the video.
We won't get him in. We won't get him in.
You have seating over here.
A new vibe over here.
You have a new sign over here that flew off and hit somebody in the head.
This is actually straight.
Yeah, I know. By the way, Bob put up the sign crooked on the door.
We won't talk about that crooked. This is your nephew? Shro.
He's working at the bucket. We're straightening him out. Don't worry about it. If anybody needs a shmeichel when they come to the bucket, go talk to him. Uncle Moshe is not here right now.
We Uncle Moshe.
Uncle Moshe is not feeling good, but he's going to be his soon, but right now he's your man.
He's the man over here. All right, let's get into the kitchen over here. Let's get into the kitchen.
Hold on.
Orlando.
This is the rest of the crew.
So he's making some good franks and blanks over here, some good pulled beef, some good schnitzel over there.
You tell me.
Dorman Inza boy over here. What's nice.
All right, let me show you the poppers. The poppers go out of the deep fryer fresh. They go into a piping hot sauce. It's a zeptaran, the sauce. If you put it into a cold sauce, it's not the same.
So it's a hot
sauce.
The
sauce is hot.
So this is secret recipe. You're giving it out now.
Yeah, that part of the recipe I'll give you. Anybody else wants the rest of it, you can start talking about a purchase price. Every piece of chicken, I know this looks dirty, but this is a refrigerated case. Every single piece of chicken is breaded fresh to order.
Really?
That is our secret recipe.
Wow.
If you have a fresh piece of chicken,
so somebody orders, you take the chicken out?
Astushkin chicken do. You have chicken in an egg batter, it goes into the crumbs fresh, it sits in a refrigerated case the whole time. Everything comes in there, breads it fresh, have a good
Sandwiches right here.
Sandwich stations. You have over here, you're not gonna see it now, but every single baguette gets baked fresh for order.
Really?
Tough, crispy.
And these are orders going out right now. Orders going out right now as we speak. Look at this. I love your coloring. The red bags, it's really cool. We sat down over here outside with Moshe. I want to hear a little about the bucket. When did you start the bucket? What inspired you to open the bucket? Give me a little about your history.
So the bucket is Baruch Hashem, we got into year 6 this year.
Year 6, can I know that?
The bucket was started with a passion for food. To give everybody the freshest, most delicious piece of chicken, piece of meat, sandwich. People come out of here, yes, prices are expensive, everything upstate is expensive. Unfortunately, it's just the way it is. And you have to charge what you have to charge to keep going and to keep the business alive and to get through these seasonal businesses. But we make sure that every person, when he walks out with a sandwich, is a festa sandwich. One of the most common complaints that we get is that the portions are too big. The sandwiches, I'm supposed to eat a sandwich. We're not the Subway, we don't have footlongs. We have, Baruch Hashem, delicious, fresh baked sandwiches, food. Every year we strive to do better, make it more geschmack for everybody. Whether it's a new tchotchke, a new this, a new that. We always want to make sure that everybody has the most uplifting geschmack experience. We're not a hangout, we're a geschmack store. For everybody to come, have a delicious meal. We signed up this year for Uber Eats. We're trying to work out for camps, to try to get people food to the camps, groups together to bring down the cost of shipping.
Let me ask you, Moshe, your camp is making a party, let's say. I see him, Bochum, 100 Bochum. We all know Bochum love the bucket's food. Is there any way for you guys to cater to your thing?
So, Baruch Hashem, we have camps coming here all the time. We have our party room. We have plenty of sitting outside. We probably have 150, 200 seats between the inside and the outside. But we send out, we specialize in platters. We specialize in
sending down to the whole place?
Everything, whatever you need. You name it, we got it. Baruch Hashem, we try not to use the word no.
No, it's not an option at the bucket. It's nice.
It's called make it happen.
Make it happen.
That's it. Chaim, achron chuvev. This is really the most important part of the day. I got to show you what we call Woodridge's best kept secrets. Everybody's been wondering, there's a building, some construction, kind of I'm going to take you for a walk. I think it's opening on Sunday, but I'm going to give you a sneak peek preview. I hope that Mr. Kaufman is going to let us do this. We're going to walk in there and we're going to show you guys what's going on, the secret of the construction in Woodridge that I, in my years over here, have never seen such construction going on. Not in Woodridge, not anywhere else. I'm going to give you a sneak preview to show you this is our neighbors, and we're going to introduce our neighbors to the Woodridge community.
That is very nice. You come into another store that's opening up here in Woodridge, a restaurant.
Aber Chavre, this is Amat Ichtide is nicht so mit Rashis. So let's wait and see what happens.
Let's go, Kevin, check it out.